Hello and welcome to Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can easily block someone on Instagram. The thing you need to do right now is launch your Instagram app, and after doing that make sure that you're logged into your Instagram. To find out how you can easily log into your Instagram on your Instagram app on your mobile, you would have to watch one of our previous video which will show you how you can easily log into that, and saving in your login is a great way to use it if your phone is secured. So once you're logged in like this, you have to find which person that you want to block on Instagram. So maybe there is some of your followers that are annoying you, so just go ahead and open up the person's profile and click on this settings, the three dots icon on the top right corner of your screen. So when this menu appears, click on block, and if it asks you are you sure, you have to click on yes, I'm sure, and then the person is blocked from your user list. So the person can't see any of your your feed or anything. Or if there's someone that you want to block and it's not on your friend list, just search for it, go here and click on block like this. This is just random. I'm just randomly blocking people. So this is how you go about blocking someone on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.